Alright guys, so the camera is right here with the instructions for the app, I guess. Inside the Ziploc bag here. And I guess this goes on top of the remote so that you can put your phone in there. Something like this. That's pretty cool. I don't think you can angle it, so watch out guys, don't just go on there and go turn, snap, crackle, and pop, because it's not Rice Krispies. Anyway, dad jokes. Okay, alright. So this thing here, I'm guessing will be mounted on here somehow. I have no idea how. Or here. But yeah, that'll be pretty cool for the FPV. I will actually have to read the instructions on this. Believe it or not, I do read instructions.
Likey.